Someone remembered. Must be their leader. Gotta take them down, one by one. Working on cars is useful. This can't be the skills they want me to take down. First, a bit more intel.
Good morning.
Oh, hi.
I have to get you to put your PPE on, safety glasses on a ceiling.
We need tradespeople, and welding is useful everywhere.
Huh. That's actually kind of cool. Gotta stay focused. Gotta find Dave. There he is. Hey, you're Dave King, right?
You betcha.
Can I ask you something?
Absolutely.
How do I get into trades?
There's many ways you can get into trades. You can ask your school counselors, visit any industry in the area, go talk to our apprenticeship office.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you bet.
Trade sounds so much better than spy work.